Hey, morning, or I to say evening, y'all. This is Kent from Razor's Edge Sharpening. Today, just got two drop-offs knives here. One is I don't know if these are whooshed off. It's a larger butcher knife, and then a smaller, like, Style Chef knife. Let's do a piece of test media here. This is just normal copy paper. See if it's even catching. It's more folding than anything. So that's for that one. Let's try this one here. It's a little nothing. Alright, so 120, 240, and 1,000 grit progression with a leather strop. Alright, that's the 120 Zirconia belt. Over here, I'm going to do a 240 style belt. This is a directional belt, so it has to go in a certain way. You can see actually the arrow here. So, put that in play. Just want to make sure I got the tip of that really good. So that was a 240. Alright, this is 1,000 grip, red label abrasive. Alright, that was that 1,000 grip abrasive. Got this out a little bit since this is a more stretched out leather belt here, so I want to get some better tension on it. That's still not enough actually. We got just a little bit more. There we go. little bit of 3 micron oxide, aluminum oxide. Alright, stop that. Let's try our test paper again. Beautiful. Smooth. Not feeling any kind of resistance on the big butcher knife here. Okay, this is our smaller chef knife. Perfect. All right, these two are good to go. Clean them up and send them back out for the drop box. Thanks for watching.